In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your 4,000 watch hour using playlist strategies. See, if you have not gotten your 4,000 watch hour, you need to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how to create your playlist to get a lot of 4,000 watch hours. First of all, what is playlist? Playlist is a collection of videos of 2 or more videos that people can watch after they watch your video. Let's say somebody click on your channel now and they watch one of your videos till the end. Before they finish watching that videos, another video that will pop up on their screen right after they finish watching that your videos. That is what playlist do for you. It will give you a lot of hours, because as people are watching one video, another video is coming in already. So it is only when you have playlists that people can watch a lot of your videos, and this in turn will give you a lot of watch hours that you can use to get your monetization requirements. I'm going to show you how to do it. No wasting of time. So let's get right into it. I am going to share my screen with you now and teach you how to do it. List, you just have to go to your YouTube studio. You can use Chrome through Chrome. Go to your YouTube studio. So this is your YouTube studio. You can also download the app, but me, I'm going to continue to studio. So you click on continue to studio. Click on continue to studio. Then it will give you this interface. You are going to get to this interface. Once you get to this interface, you will now come to this create. Let me show you. You will come to this create. This here, you click on create. You click on create. You see playlist, you see upload, you see go live, you see create a post. So you click on new playlist. You click on new playlist. So it will bring you to this page, and then you title your playlist. You can title it how to get 4,000 watch hours. So that's my title for my playlist, how to get 4,000 watch hour. So that's the title of my playlist. Then the description can be this learn. Okay, because the description can be learn how to get your 4,000 watch hours with the trick and tips I share in these videos. So that's the description. Then you leave it at public. You can leave it so that people can see it. You can, whenever people come to your channel, they can see the videos on the playlist. So you leave it as publish. You leave it like this, and then you come to title, language, and description. Your language is the language is English language. Sorry. The language is definitely English. You see English here. You click on it. Then add videos. See, this is where you are going to add your videos. Sure you get. So you add your videos, those videos that you want people to be watching after they watch the one that brought them to your channel. So those are the videos you add it. So these are the videos I want to add. The video that I talk about how to get 4,000 watch hours. So because the title of the playlist is how to get 4,000 watch hour fast. So I'm going to add my videos on how to get 4,000 watch hours. Those are the videos I'm going to add in this playlist. Those are the videos I'm going to add. So number 1, number 2, number 1, you add. Once you add, you add it and click on done. So you see, one video is already there. You click on add again. You pick another videos. You pick another videos. As you can see, there are 2 now. As you can see, 1, 2. You can see there are 2 now. You click on done again. You can see 2 videos. You click on the pencil icon again. I want to add this one too. So that's making 3. That's making 3 videos. You click on done. Once you add each of the video, you click on done. And it has added. As you can see, it has added. Then you click on create. You click on create here. You click on create. So create a new playlist. So you have already created your playlist. So you can see now playlist video. You see all those videos that we just added. They are already there. So to create a playlist is very simple. After we created the playlist, you come to your studio. You can see that all those videos are already on playlist. You can see how to get 4,000 watch hour. You can see public playlist. See another one here, how to grow fast on YouTube. You can see public playlist. So that's how to create your playlist to get more watch hours. So now that you have already know how to create your playlist, what are you still waiting for? Go and create your playlist now so that you can get a lot of watch hours. People can watch a lot of your videos. You can even create more than 1 playlist. You can have like 3 playlists, 4 playlists. So go and create your playlist. Don't even play with playlists, because this is what will make people to watch a lot of your videos. So if you get a lot of value in this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to this channel. In this channel, we help each other. We help upcoming YouTubers, new YouTubers like us to grow. So let's grow together. Subscribe, like this video, comment, and let's grow together. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.